everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on how to make the best mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes are going to be very rich and tasty, and here are my ingredients. Yes, you're going to need milk, salt, heavy whipping cream, black pepper, and sour cream. I'm doing 6 potatoes today, and what I did, I cut them in quarters. This is going to make it faster for them to cook. And behind me, I already have 10 cups of water in a 6-quart pot. This is already heating up. So I'm gonna wait for my water to boil because I've noticed that makes it go faster, the whole process go faster. Once my water is boiling, I'm gonna add my potatoes and then we're gonna wait for it to cook, okay? I'll show you guys in a bit. So it took about 10 or 15 minutes to bring 10 cups of water to a boil. So now that it's boiling, I'm gonna add my 6 potatoes. Once I see that my potatoes are soft, I'm going to use my smasher to smash them in. Okay. And I'm also going to cover them up. This makes it go much faster. So my potatoes are ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some of the excess water. So I'm going to bring this over to the sink. I'm going to remove the excess water because I'm going to be adding my milk, my heavy whipping cream, and my sour cream, so I don't need all this water. It did take 15 minutes for this to come to a boil and for my potatoes to be fully cooked. Okay, so I'm going to just leave, it's less than a cup of water at the bottom, see? I'm going to cook this back to a medium heat, and I'm going to add my milk. This is half a cup of milk. This is my heavy whipping cream. And for the salt and for the pepper, this is pretty much to taste. I know last time I did, what was it? There it is. 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and the same thing for the pepper. If you guys like it with more, feel free to add some. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to a boil so I could smash it in. The last is going to be our sour cream. Potatoes are already boiling. This was pretty fast because my pot was already pretty hot from me cooking the potatoes in them. It took, like I said, 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to use a smasher to smash them in. Smash my potatoes. And everything is pretty hot, so be very careful. If you guys want, you guys could actually take this off the fire, just so you guys could be able to have a better workstation off the fire, and it's too not, you know, not too hot. Okay, so this is what they look like. The last part of the recipe is to add the sour cream. And the same thing, we're gonna mix in the sour cream with our smasher. And then we're gonna bring it back to a quick boil. This is gonna be super fast, less than a minute. And we should be able to have our mashed potatoes. So this is the final product. These are my mashed potatoes. I know that normally mashed potatoes are good for, I don't know, for like Thanksgiving time, but you know what? These could go, they're good for any time of year. Today, for example, I'm gonna have them with my rajas that I just made, with my beans. I'm gonna have a side of chicken, and I'm gonna, see, nice, they're nice and creamy. They're so good and they smell delicious. I'm gonna have more recipes coming. Please keep your comments coming. I like reading them. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to recommend me to all your family and friends. Keep posted. I'll see you guys soon. Provecho.